Hey everyone, it's Dhiren. Today, we're checking out the coolest bikes in Tamil Nadu. From Chennai to Coimbatore, Madurai to Munnar, we're looking for the best bikes in the state. So, get ready for an awesome ride with On the Way. We're going to review some amazing bikes and share some great riding routes. First up, the king of the roads, the Royal Enfield Classic 350. This iconic motorcycle has been a favorite among riders for decades. This bike has a long history. From its inception to the present day, it has evolved while retaining its classic charm. It's been around forever, and there's a good reason why. Riders love its reliability and the sense of adventure it brings. The Classic 350 is all about power and that awesome exhaust sound. The thump of its engine is music to a rider's ears. It's comfortable, reliable, and looks great. Whether you're cruising through city streets or exploring the countryside, it never disappoints. If you want a classic riding experience, the Royal Enfield Classic 350 is perfect. It's more than just a bike, it's a lifestyle. Now, let's talk about a bike that's great for city streets, the Bajaj Pulsar 150. This bike has been a favorite among urban riders for years, and it's easy to see why. With its sleek design and powerful engine, it effortlessly weaves through traffic and handles the hustle and bustle of city life. This is a super popular bike in Tamil Nadu, and there's a good reason why. The Pulsar 150 has built a reputation for reliability and performance, making it a top choice for many riders in the region. It's affordable, saves gas, and looks sporty. The bike's fuel efficiency is one of its standout features, allowing riders to go further on a single tank. Plus, its sporty design turns heads wherever it goes. I've ridden the Pulsar 150 all over Chennai, even to Mahabalipuram. The bike's performance on both city streets and scenic routes is impressive, providing a smooth and enjoyable ride. This bike handles everything easily. Whether it's navigating through tight traffic, taking sharp turns, or riding on different terrains, the Pulsar 150 proves to be versatile and dependable. For everyday rides, weekend trips, or long journeys, the Bajaj Pulsar 150 is a great choice. Its comfort and durability make it suitable for any kind of ride, ensuring that you have a reliable companion on the road. Chapter 3: KTM Duke 390 – Unleash the Beast. If you like speed, the KTM Duke 390 is for you. It's powerful, handles well, and looks amazing. I've taken the Duke 390 on some awesome rides, and it's super fast. But be careful, this bike is powerful. If you want an exciting ride, the KTM Duke 390 is the one. Chapter 4: Keeping your ride in top shape. Maintenance tips. Taking care of your bike is important, especially in Tamil Nadu, where the weather can be tough. Regularly check your tire pressure, especially before long trips. Don't forget about your air filter. A dirty air filter can make your bike slow, and of course, regular oil changes are important. Chapter 5: Epic rides await. Best biking routes in Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu has amazing places to ride, from mountains to the coast. Whether you're an experienced rider or a beginner, there's something for everyone. The diverse landscapes offer a unique experience that you won't find anywhere else. One of my favorites is the ride up to Kodaikanal. Beautiful roads and amazing views. The winding paths through the hills and the lush greenery make it a ride to remember. Don't forget to stop by the tea plantations for a refreshing break. For a coastal ride, check out the ECR, the East Coast Road. This route offers stunning views of the Bay of Bengal and is perfect for those who love the sea breeze. It's one of the most beautiful roads in India. You won't be disappointed. The sunsets along this route are absolutely breathtaking, making it a perfect end to a day of riding. Outro: ride safe, ride on. Well, that's all for today's video. Remember, always ride safe, wear your helmet. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to On the Way for more bike videos. Until next time, keep riding. Bye.